Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel, Brother Moments TV. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell so that you will be notified sa next vlog. For today's vlog guys, if you notice, before this is called former Yaka-Yaka, but now change na siya ito sa dulo. So I'll show you kung anong nandito sa dulo guys. So keep on watching and have fun and enjoy my vlog. Have fun and enjoy. Welcome back guys, and it's so nice. Very amazing. Kung makikita nyo yun. Okay. May all your prayers and wishes be blown by the wind into the heavens above. Yeah, very inspiring. So, if you are a nature lover, try to visit, and this is a must place for you to visit dito sa dulo ng Culuyagan, Pagadian City guys. So, this is very nice. So I sleep dito last night, and grabe kasi pag umaga makakita niyo guys. Yan, mataas ang tubig, tas very serene yung place. If you need a place where you are comfortable with and sobrang ganda, gusto mong tahimik ng buhay, so this is the place guys. Then they serve food, grabe, sobrang sarap talaga guys. So try to visit dito, grabe. And watch out because low branch, diba? Expected naman. So guys, if you are broken-hearted or you are inspired person, this is the place where you are going to contemplate, sa dulo. Yeah. Sobrang ganda guys, kasi pag umaga, tingnan nyo. Diba, I'll show you ang tubig ko. Yeah. Tapos kung makikita nyo on the other side, grabe ka-amazing yung daan. So, I would recommend this place, and thank you sa kasi this is for Maria Yaka-Yaka. So, it was their dream before na lagyan talaga ito ng ganito. Nakaka-amaze lang talaga. Diba? Okay, so have fun and enjoy.
One eternity later.
Alright, thank you so much for watching, and do not forget my channel, Brother Moments TV, and hit the bell so that you will be notified sa next vlog ko. Bye, and see you in my next vlog. Bye everyone, at nandito ako sa dulo. Dito sa Pagadian City guys, sa Culuyagan. Bye, and see you in my next vlog. So nice please come and visit it.
The next day.